Rise and Fall, A Journey Through the Ottoman Empire. In the annals of history, few empires have left as profound a mark as the Ottoman Empire. From its humble beginnings to its eventual decline, its story is one of conquest, cultural richness, and enduring legacy. The early years of the Ottoman Empire. Scenes depict Osman I, the founder of the Ottoman dynasty, leading his followers in battle. The story begins in the late 13th century with Osman I, a charismatic leader who laid the foundations of what would become one of the most powerful empires in the world. Through military prowess and strategic alliances, the Ottomans expanded their territory, carving out a vast realm that bridged Europe, Asia, and Africa. The Ottoman capital, Constantinople, bustling with trade and cultural exchange. Under the reign of Mehmed the Conqueror, the Ottoman Empire reached its zenith. In 1453, Mehmed achieved a historic triumph by capturing Constantinople, renaming it Istanbul, and making it the new capital of the empire. This event marked the end of the Byzantine Empire and the beginning of a new era. Scenes of Suleiman the Magnificent, known for his military campaigns and patronage of the arts. The golden age of the Ottoman Empire reached its peak during the reign of Suleiman the Magnificent. A visionary leader, Suleiman expanded the empire to its greatest extent, exerting influence over vast territories from Hungary to the Arabian Peninsula. Under his rule, the empire flourished culturally, economically, and intellectually. Depicting the diverse population of the Ottoman Empire, including Muslims, Christians, and Jews, living in relative harmony. One of the hallmarks of the Ottoman Empire was its religious tolerance and pluralism. While Islam was the dominant religion, Christians and Jews enjoyed protected status as dhimmis, with the freedom to practice their faith and govern their communities according to their own laws. The Ottoman Empire facing challenges, including military defeats and internal strife. However, the empire's fortunes began to wane in the face of external pressures and internal divisions. A series of military defeats, such as the Battle of Vienna in 1683, weakened the Ottomans and signaled the start of their decline. Additionally, administrative corruption and succession disputes further destabilized the empire. The Ottoman Empire's dissolution and the emergence of modern nation-states in the Middle East. By the 20th century, the once mighty Ottoman Empire was a shadow of its former self. In the aftermath of World War I, the empire collapsed, and its territories were carved up by the victorious Allied powers. The Republic of Turkey, led by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, emerged from the ashes, marking the end of an era and the beginning of a new chapter in history. Though the Ottoman Empire may have vanished into the pages of history, its legacy lives on in the cultures, traditions, and peoples of the lands it once ruled.